The small town of Patan is located in the Gujarat state of India, famous for Rani Ki Vav, also known as Queen's Stepwell. It is a prominent historic site of India. Patan served as the capital of the region, the rule of Solanki dynasty. The Vav was constructed during that era, somewhere in 11th century. It was constructed by Rani Udyanati in honor of her king Bhimadeva I. It was decorated in the best possible ways. Well-decorated walls, pillars, and well-designed steps showcases the architectural skills of the era. The site was rediscovered in 1960s by the efforts of Archaeological Survey of India. Later, in 2014, it was included in the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. As the name depicts, it is actually a well with steps that lead to the bottom. These are mostly found in Rajasthan and Gujarat region of India. It is not only about the design, but the size of the structure is also elephantic. It is a multi-story structure buried completely under the earth. It is 64 meters long, 20 meters wide and 27 meters deep, constructed in east-west direction with well in the extreme west direction of the structure. The stairs start from the easternmost side of the complex and leads to the bottom of the well. Located near river Saraswati, this stepwell has a unique water resource and storage system with a huge tank at the bottom of the valve. It was constructed in Muru, Gurjara style of architecture. About 500 sculptures have been carved all across the walls, including sculptures of Goddess Parvati, Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu, Lord Ganesha, Sun God, Kuber, and many more. In addition to this, female figures of Apsara geometrical designs have also been carved.